upon a time, three with two large kingdoms in the East Java region, namely the Jenggala Kingdom and the Kediri Kingdom. The Jenggala Kingdom was led by King Jayanegara, and Kediri Kingdom was led by King Jayangrana. To unite the two kingdoms and avoid war, a marriage bond was formed between Panji Asmarabangun, the son of the King of Jenggala, and Dewi Sekartaji, the daughter of the King of Kediri. One day, the Jenggala Kingdom was attacked by enemies. When the battle took place, the goddess Sekartaji fled. She disguised herself as a village girl and lived with a widow and her three daughters, namely Kelenting Abang, Kelenting Ijo, and Kelenting Biru. Dewi Sekartaji was adopted as a child and given the name Kelenting Kuning. However, the yellow Kelenting was not treated well. Every day he was made to do housework such as washing, cooking, and cleaning the house. His three adopted brothers are very lazy. They can only order things around.
Hello, Kelenting. Wash my clothes? Yes.
Wash my scrap too. The kingdom of Jenggala has become safe again. Panji Asmara woke up and had succeeding in defeating the enemy who attacked him. But he was sad because Dewi Sekartaji had left the village. He was determined to look for her. He deployed his guards to look for the whereabouts of Dewi Sekartaji. After some time, a guard said that he met a girl who looked like Dewi Sekartaji in a village. Panji Asmara looks up and leaves for Dadapan village. The village is outside the village where the yellow Kelenting lives. He lives in Mbok Randa house. He becomes Mbok Randa adopted son and disguises himself as Ande Lumut was looking for a mate. News about the Ande Lumut looking for a mate soon spread. The red Kelenting, the green Kelenting, and the blue Kelenting dressed up as beautifully as possible to propose to Ande Lumut. Don't forget to wear jewelry and nice clothes.
You don't need to come to propose, Yellow Kelenting. Just stay at home and go to the river and wash off those dirty clothes.
The yellow Kelenting immediately went to the river to wash. Suddenly a stork came and gave in a whip.
Go propose to Ande Lumut so that you can meet Panji Asmara. Wake up and bring this whip,
said the stork. The yellow Kelenting immediately rushed to Dadapan village. Meanwhile, his mother and three older siblings had reached the river bank. They were confused. There were no boats in sight, and there was no bridge, so how would they cross? The river is very wide, deep, and has a strong current. Suddenly, a giant crab named Yuyu Kangkang appeared. The crab offered to cross the river on the condition that they kiss Yuyu Kangkang. They agreed to the condition. One by one, they climbed on Yuyu Kangkang's back to cross the rivers. A few moments later, the yellow Kelenting arrived at the edge of the river, and he meets Yuyu Kangkang. Yuyu Kangkang offers services to cross the river on the condition that the Yellow Clanting must kiss him. Yellow Clanting rejected this condition. He forces Yuyu Kangkang to take him across with Hoani condition, but he refused to let him cross. The yellow old-fashioned had run out. He took out a whip and hit the river with it. Immediately, the river water receded and Yuyu Kangkang was scared. Finally, he was willing to help the yellow sled cross the river. The Yellow Clanting immediately climbed onto Yuyu Kangkang's back and he arrived at the edge of the river. The mother and her three adopted sisters arrived and Boranda's house. First, in turn, Clanting Abang. The green Clanting and the blue Clanting showed their beauty to Ande Ande Lumut, but none of them were cousins. They had already kissed Yuyu Kangkang. A few moments later, Yellow Clanting arrived at Boranda's house and Ande Ande Lumut chose Yellow Clanting as his wife because he knew that Yellow Clanting was the goddess Kartaji and she was the only woman who didn't know kiss Yuyu Kangkang. Ande Ande Lumut reveals his disgrace. He tells that he is Panji Asmara Bangun. Finally, the love banner rises and the goddess Kartaji has gathered again. They invite Boranda to live in the village as a thank you. They live happily.